I think when you talk about injuries, it's important to note that your prior history is important. So when you're going to a doctor, you need to be truthful to them about what prior history you have, because so many times a client's prior history comes into play and
don't conceal anything. Yeah, you should not be concealing anything, because guess what? They will find out exactly what your medical history is all about. So even if it's a forgetful thing, they'll find out, and then it'll make it seem like you have lied, and now it's going to cost you dearly, because that's going to limit your recovery.
Like we always say, the more we have to explain, the worse our case gets.
Yeah.
So make sure that the doctor is aware of your prior history, that the lawyer is aware of your prior history. That's our job to determine how it affects your case and how we can spin any prior history and determine if there is a new injury or if it was exacerbated. You're still entitled to recover even if you had an old injury.
Yeah.
Now the problem becomes you not explaining to the doctor the old injury, and the doctor may have changed his treatment plan had you explained fully the type of injuries that you may have had in the past. So really that does affect and negatively affect many clients' cases if they were just truthful and explain that to the doctor.
Absolutely. And obviously that goes, the amount of treatment also translates into what your medical bills are. A case that only has $10,000 worth of medical bills versus a case that has $100,000 worth of medical bills. Obviously, a case with $100,000 generally should be worth more, depending on liability and depending on all kinds of other factors. But you know, it's safe to say that if you've got $100,000 in outstanding medical bills, and there's $100,000 worth of a policy, you know, we at least are out there to get it.